What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. I'm still working on the 1972 Buick LeSabre, the Nightmare bodywork, guys. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright, now we got that out the way. Let me show y'all what y'all missed. I didn't record the last 2 days. I wanted to concentrate on getting some work done on this. As y'all can see, this whole top area is straight bare metal. I'm gonna grease and wax remove it again. I greased and wax removed it last night, but I'm gonna do it again real quick. We're gonna get these bare spots covered. Also, I got some patches put in. They're not perfect, but you know, I'm new to this part of like body work. I can do all the other stuff. So, and I haven't cut this spot out yet. Just found that last night. Also, I got that trim removed, and I got the trim removed right here. So we got that cleaned up, the edge right here real good. And on the inside also, this spot right here, yes, gonna need a lot of work. Still haven't figured out what I want to do there yet. This spot I got a patch put in, and another spot back here, guys. Let me get around this hole. Y'all can see that. I cleaned all these areas out. I gotta do some more cutting on this one and get that patched in. But the main objective is right now to get these bare spots covered with primer so no rust gets on it, and we'll go from there. I gotta get the Corvette back covered up, and then we'll get going. Alright guys, I got that taped off. I did pull the gun out because I do have some it's a multi-purpose primer. I got 2 gallons of it. It's you can use it for epoxy, you can use it for bare metal, you can use it for everything. But I was just gonna try this U-Pol sandable primer, and it says for straight to metal. We're gonna hit this top section with that, and we'll just try it out. So we'll see how it goes, and it's gonna get sanded off anyways. We just need some coverage right now, so let's get going. Alright, we got that first part covered. Now we're gonna get ready to fill in the patches, so we'll get that part knocked out.
What they talking about? I don't know.
I just tacked on a couple more spots on this and got the bottom bent down. So y'all let me know down in the comments. Should I put fiberglass over this, or should I just use the fiberglass filler? Because I was getting ready to do this, but then I started thinking about it. I don't think I really need that. I can just put the fiberglass filler and be good there. Now on something like this hole over here, if I don't cut it all the way out, yes, I think. And then I was trying to weld this up. My welder's not doing too good right now, so I don't know. I might have to cut that piece out and weld that up. I went ahead and sprayed the epoxy primer on here, so I'm gonna let this dry. I don't know how far we're gonna get in this video, guys. It's already super late, about 12 at night. So I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna probably fiberglass around the edges so we get a good seal and keep the water and moisture out, and then we'll fill it with the fiberglass filler, and hopefully that'll do it, guys. Like I said, I really don't know what I'm doing, but hey, we're here learning together, and we'll get it figured out. Alright guys, it took me a second there. I was talking to my cousin. He's the body man, and he said this part probably wasn't even necessary, but hey, we here. This is where we at. So I'm not gonna put the fiberglass mat on here. I'm gonna just use the fiberglass filler, fill in this area, and then we'll sand it down, see how it comes out. Alright, I got the fiberglass filler mixed up. It's one uniform color. Got my hardener in there already. I didn't want y'all waiting on me to do that. This is my first time ever trying to use this stuff, so I don't know what's gonna happen. But definitely want to fill in them spots like that. Yeah, we'll fill in these cracks and stuff first, little holes. Dang, I thought I mixed up more than this, guys. Oh, it's already trying to get hard. I should have took my rim off. Yep, should have took my rim off. But anyways, man, I'm really to the point where I'm like, I'm gonna just take this thing to the shop. I'm kind of getting tired of it.
I can't wait till the new top get on it. It's already gonna be.
It's gonna be clean, man. Once we get it there, it's gonna be a clean car. But golly, man, I'm just ready to just be over it. We can sand all that off, guys. I should have took the tire off, I know, but put none down there at the bottom because I gotta shave that sheet metal. So I think that'll be plenty. Really, I just want to fill in the gaps. So now we're concentrating on getting it straight, and then we'll sand again. I'd rather have fiberglass than all that body fill in there, so. Just go ahead and take that off right now. We ain't gotta worry about it later. Alright, we'll let that dry, guys, and then we'll run some guide coat, and yeah, we'll get it sanded down. We might go ahead and do that side tonight. Yeah, we'll see here in a minute.
What you doing? Ha ha ha!
Guys, it's been a long night. We're gonna try to finish this panel up, but don't look like it's gonna happen. We'll try our best, but the time it takes for stuff to dry and all that, every time we turn y'all off, we wait on stuff to dry or whatever. So it's just taking a lot of time. So right now we're just gonna fill in this area. I want to cut these spots out and weld, and there's another spot over there. I don't know if y'all can see it. I got to cut that out and weld. So I mean, I don't know if we're gonna get there, but we'll keep y'all in tune as far as we get. All right, got that mixed up, so let's go ahead and fill it in. We're gonna start with the cracks first. Y'all see that fiberglass in there? I put way more hardener on this one and it don't look like the color of the other one for some reason. And the reason I had to do it like this is because whoever cut this out and put the panel in here, man, dude, they went so far back. If I would have put this panel on the inside, man, it would have took me so much body filler to just fill it in. So that's why we're doing it like this. Yep. This is a little spot I'm kind of worried about down there. Get that one. Yeah, with this, we're just worried about the cracks, the creases. Oh no! Got on my pants. And then, oh yeah, right on my pants too. You gotta get that out. Oh my goodness. I forgot what I was saying. But yeah, then we'll run our body filler. Like I said earlier, I'm not no expert at this. I can paint and all that stuff. You know, I learned from my cousin, but man, you know, when you're trying to do this stuff yourself and learn, you just gotta do it, guys. You just gotta do it. See, we got a pebble in there. When it does that, you got something in there. See how it's smoothed out? It ain't gotta be perfect because we gotta go back over it with the body filler. It's just the fiberglass to seal everything up. There. Might as well use all this instead of wasting it. Push down pretty good. We want it to be in there, like where them lines is at. We want it to be in there real good, guys. This part really don't matter. I ain't mean to touch it, but that part really don't matter. Just get it real smooth. So that'll work. I'm happy with it. We'll block that down. We'll block this side down over here. That side looking pretty good. We might have time to cut these spots out tonight. I'm not sure, but we're trying to get as much done as possible, guys. I went ahead and cut this spot out. Hold on, hand in the way. So there's a piece of metal behind it. So we'll treat this, clean it up, and then we'll run a piece of sheet metal right there. Yes, sir. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of this out. Might as well just get, you know, where the good metal is. So I go ahead and cut that too. I cut this spot out and there was so much rust fall out. Here it is right here. That's the shape. So y'all can see. Oh my goodness. It just started pouring out of there. So I'm glad I did. I'm glad I cut that out. So I might have to hold off on this one because I need to treat behind here. And then that's like a piece of plastic or something. I mean rubber. But yeah. I'm glad I cut it out because I need to treat behind here. And then we'll fill this spot in. You can still hear that stuff falling out of there. I got a lot of it down and then I was like, oh man, let me turn on the camera so they can see. I'm super tired, guys. I know y'all can hear it in my voice, but man, we gotta keep it going, keep it going. this little spot right here. Y'all just see that? Look at that. Oh, that's gotta come out before we even sheet metal anything over that. Oh, that's gotta come out, man. Yeah. Where's my blow gun at? Yeah, all that stuff gotta come out, guys. Yeah, so we might be on hold, guys, for the night. I mean, I guess we could fix that spot right there. I don't know, cause I'm gonna have to treat these spots again. I already treated them, but now that it's opened up, you can really get the spray down in there. So I'm gonna have to treat these spots again. This spot is doing awesome. It's already hard. We can start sanding that. And then let's see, let's check this. It's been a few minutes. It's starting to get there. I hate body work. I hate body work. I know y'all do too, so. Alright, we'll see what we're gonna figure out. I'm gonna try to keep going, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this spot out back here. And probably right here, well, just a little bit out of there, and we're gonna fiberglass that and build that line back up. But I'm gonna definitely cut this spot out right here. I got this back section cut out, so we'll make a template for this one, and we'll get that filled in. Of course, that's gonna be sheet metal right there. I might have to do fiberglass right here because I don't know how to make shapes. Well, not like bend shapes, so I don't know. We'll see. I'll try to do it with sheet metal, but we'll see how that goes. And let me skip over to this side. Excuse the camera. I just cut this spot out too. I'm gonna need the screwdriver though. Give me that screwdriver right there. But yeah, we're gonna have to, let's pop this one out. See what's going on back here. I'm gonna have to cut it some more. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it some more. It's hooked. It's hooked. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little more cutting, but I'll let y'all know when I get that piece out. That really will be like all of the bad spots. Let me get up, guys. Excuse the camera. I'm trying to get up off the ground. That'll be all the bad spots. So, I mean, we're looking decent, guys. I mean, oh yeah, I sanded this area down. We're gonna go back with some fiberglass filler. And then on this side too, we sanded this down. We're gonna go back with a little more fiberglass filler. Like the body filler is just gonna smooth it out. We're not trying to just fill the whole thing up with body filler. Forget that. We're gonna do fiberglass all the way. I'm gonna treat this spot overnight. And then that back spot too, we'll treat that overnight. Then I need to get this out though. Give me a second. I got that piece out, guys. So I think that's gonna be it for the video. That piece is right there. We're gonna make some templates. I'm gonna treat these areas overnight again, just to get in these spots that we missed. And it's like 4 o'clock in the morning, so hey man, I appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate y'all rocking with the Silky Smooth gang. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.